In the heart of Montana, a culinary tragedy unfolded, shaking a community and alerting the nation to the peril of uncooked morel mushrooms. Last year, amid the buzz of a local eatery, unsuspecting diners encountered a deadly dish, salmon and morel sushi rolls. Morels, renowned for their earthy flavor and delicate texture, are a sought-after delicacy, but beneath their delectable facade lurks a danger unknown to many. Within hours of consuming these raw delicacies, patrons were struck by a wave of sickness, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea swept through the restaurant, leaving devastation in its wake. As the community grappled with the aftermath, experts embarked on a quest for answers. Their investigation uncovered a chilling reality: undercooked morel mushrooms harbored a lethal secret. Heather Day Morist, leading the charge from the Gallatin City County Health Department, sounded the alarm. She revealed the insidious nature of these unassuming fungi. Imported from afar, these mushrooms had traveled continents, their journey fraught with peril, yet it was not their origin but their preparation that proved fatal. A staggering 51 patrons fell ill, with 2 tragic fatalities. Their deaths, a grim reminder of the consequences of culinary negligence. Among the casualties were individuals with underlying health conditions, their vulnerabilities exacerbated by the toxic effects of the mushrooms. But amidst the darkness, a glimmer of hope emerged: cooking. The humble act of applying heat proved to be a shield against this silent killer. The Bozeman restaurant, once tainted by tragedy, rose from the ashes. Armed with newfound knowledge, it embraced a culture of safety, ensuring that such horrors would never be repeated. As the sun sets on this cautionary tale, let us heed its lessons. Let us cherish the joys of culinary exploration. But let us never forget the importance of vigilance in our kitchens. For in the delicate dance of gastronomy lies the power to nourish or to harm. Choose wisely. And may your culinary adventures be filled with joy and safety. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and bon appetit.